This is a video to show you the Division Fact Fluency Kit for 4th grade. So what you'll need for this kit is the direction sheet, the bag of flashcards, recording sheet, and game boards. There's 2 different games to pick from, 4 Runs First and Diamond Bingo. They basically have the same rules, just 2 different versions, and then a bag of beans. So we're going to start out with our warm-up, and our warm-up is just to take about 20 of the flashcards, and they do have the answer in the top corner, so as the leader you'll want to cover that top corner up. And so you're just going to flash it, and if you're working one-on-one, it'll just be one student calling it out. If you're working with 2 or 3 students, everybody will say the answer. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start.
6 divided by 2 is 3.
Okay, perfect. I'm kind of turning. 0 divided by 0?
0. 7.
This is going to be a little tricky covering up.
5.
Oh, 8 divided by 2. We missed one. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So can you say that, Maria?
8 divided by 2 is 4.
Perfect. And so then you just keep going through all the cards. It's just a practice with the flashcards. Okay, after that it's time for the activity, which is the fact game. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take out the game boards, and we have 4 Runs First or Diamond Bingo. And so we'll use the 4 Runs First. Everyone gets their own game card, and everyone gets a pile of beans. And the object of the game is to cover 4 baseballs, any 4 baseballs, and in order to cover one you need to find the answer to 3 different division problems. So that would be 1 baseball covered. If she gets 4 covered, she wins, or if the time runs out. And we're going to do this for about 5 minutes. And everyone gets to cover, but only 1 student gets to answer. Okay, so Maria, what's 8 divided by 1?
8 divided by 1 is 8.
Okay, so Maria's going to cover any 8, and so is another player. There's more than 1 8, so that's why we won't have everyone win at the same time. Okay, now I'm going to ask the other student, we'll pretend it was over here. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, so we're going to cover the 5. All right. 27 divided by 3.
9.
Okay, cover the 9. And then this student over here, 9 divided by 1 is 1. Oops, nope, we missed that 1. So now we aren't going to cover it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to write down the facts that they missed. So I would on this student sheet say that that this student missed 9 divided by 1, and I write that down. And then we just keep playing until somebody wins. So that's the activity. The closing for this, you need a marker board, is to draw a picture drawing or somehow prove the answer to a division problem. So that kind of that deep understanding of division. So Maria, and so I just choose any card and give them all a fact to work on. I'm going to give you 6 divided by 2. Draw any picture and try to solve it. All right. So, Maria, what's the answer to that problem?
6 divided by 2 is 3.
Okay. So then I would write on the sheet, yep, she could solve it correctly. And what was your picture drawing?
Okay, I drew 6 circles and then put a line where there were half of them.
Okay, split them in half. Perfect. So yes, I would give her a yes for accurate proof, and I would do the same thing for every student at the group. And nice job, Maria.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll see you next time.